Hey guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing great. So, I'm back with another interesting video. I was getting bored and I thought I should do something creative. So, in this video, I'm gonna make something out of waste material. Basically, it's a home decor item which is very easy to make and it's quite attractive. So, without wasting any time, let's start the video. So, here we have two different types of spoons which I've made using cardboard, and now I'm gonna paint on it using acrylic paints. You can use any color, any design of your choice.